What's up, Big Bird Nation? It's your boy Big Bird, back at it here again with another video. Basically, what I'm going to say today is a little preaching and telling you a little bit more about where I come from and everything. So, I went live on YouNow today, and I told a person on there, well, I basically preached on there, and I said, if you guys know where I come from, my mom, when I grew up, never really cared, and she was doing drugs and everything and didn't really care at that time, but I'm pretty sure she does now. But when I started racing, I was held back by my mom and my dreams, and I want everybody to know, if your family is on drugs, or if you have a problem with a family member doing drugs and you think that's holding you back from doing what you want to do in your life, don't let it hold you back. Do what you want to do. Take whatever you have in your life that's holding you back from your dreams, make that into something that you will take and make it a motivational site in your life, to where you can do anything, you can succeed more. Take whatever you have in your life and make it something that will make you thrive on, and thrive to make a better person out of yourself. I didn't have it great when I was growing up, so I don't know why you guys can't I don't know why you guys can't take something and make it into something better. Like with my name, with my name that I use on here, Big Bird. When I was growing up, I used to be called Big Bird all the time in school because of my height. And I took that and made it into something that everybody will make fun of and laugh about. And I mean, it don't really bother me anymore, but it makes me happy to see everyone liking my name. But anyway, I just wanted to say, if you guys have a problem, just make it something better in life. Make it something that will have a better effect on you in life. If you're getting bullied at school, take that and be like, well, this ain't crap. Let's go on and make something better. But as long as you guys keep on smiling every day and making